Hi and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Stakeholders in the Ludi controversy clearing the air and the Ramesh Entertainment camp in damage control mode. Popular Jamaican producer Elvis Redwood, CEO of So Unique Records, the production house behind the Ludi track, this morning broke his silence in a lengthy YouTube post.
One day, Ramesh called me and said, "Yo, Chris called me and said, I want the song, you know." That Chris from VP, I say, they want to license the song. And they want to do a deal with him. Talk to Chris. Chris, I say, "You hear me? I want the song, I license the song." I said, "No problem, it's my song." Like Johnny Wonder and tell Johnny Wonder about the deal. And Johnny Wonder say, "Yo, you have to secure cartel part." And I say, "Yeah, have to." So, I link back Chris and me and say, "Yo, you hear me? He said, that you give me that can't do, you know, because cartel have to get a piece of the food, you know. VP sign off on it, me sign off on it. You see, out of the figure, I want this and make cartel get that. I never say, give me this, I'm going to give cartel piece. I say, yo, I want this and make cartel, you make cartel get that. Chris, give me my check with my portion. See? When I link back Chris and me, I say, yo, oh, cartel part go. I say, yeah man, Johnny Wonder get cartel check. I link Johnny Wonder say, you get cartel check? Johnny Wonder say, yeah. I link the source where if that man they come to me and say, yo, cartel say Ray, I know say a gospel. So I link that person and I say, yo, get that message out to him, tell him say I do a deal with VP and sign off on it and Johnny Wonder have X amount and make sure say him get it. Just tell him. Link back and say, yo, ask him get it and him say, yeah man, things go on. Me and him never discuss, me and Cartel never discuss nothing about the deal. Cartel never know about the deal. And me tell him about the deal after the deal. And send a piece of food if him get it. Cartel write the entire song. Clear say, you know say, him not really Ray with him song them. I say, no, but beg you. Reach out to Cartel and ask him if him can give the girl a piece of the publishing. It take 3 weeks before she get word to him. And him say, yeah, give her a small percentage. Because me defend that fear and she get it. Me know my do's and don'ts when I come on to Virus Cartel song. And me never do a don't.
New album in the works for Alkaline. The dancehall artist is already working on his sophomore album, which will be ready in another few months. The album is expected to be bigger than his debut album, New Level Unlocked, which peaked at #1 on the Billboard Reggae album chart last year. 2017 is already a good year for the Vendetta DJ, who undoubtedly pulled one of the largest crowds to witness his performance in Kingston. Since the start of 2017, Alkaline has released singles including Son of a Queen, Fast and Pretty Girl Team. Kaya Fest delighted Miami patrons with a stellar lineup, marking the first staging of the festival at the Bayfront Park venue. The festival featured performances from the Marley Brothers, Stephen, Ziggy, Damian, Julian and Kimani. The first time in 2 decades that they're performing as a quintet of sorts, with the inclusion of the next generation of Marley, Skip, Joe Mercer and Johan. Pitbull also made a surprise guest appearance performing his recent collab, Options, with Stephen Marley. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.